To exclude a country in Etsy, you need to start by logging into your Etsy account and going to the Shop Manager section. Once you are in the Shop Manager section, click on Settings and then Shipping Settings. In the Shipping Settings section, you will see a list of all the countries that you currently ship to. To exclude a country from this list, click on the Edit button next to the shipping carrier you want to modify. This will bring up a list of all the countries that are currently included in that shipping carrier. To exclude a country from this list, simply click on the country you want to exclude and then click on the Remove button. You can also exclude a country from a specific listing by going to the listing and clicking on the Edit button next to the shipping section. In the shipping section, you will see a list of all the countries that the item can be shipped to. To exclude a country from this list, simply click on the country you want to exclude and then click on the Remove button. It is also important to note that excluding a country from your shipping settings or a specific listing does not prevent buyers from that country from purchasing from you. It only prevents them from seeing the shipping estimate for that country. If a buyer from an excluded country purchases from you, they will still be able to complete the transaction, but they will not see the shipping estimate until after they have made the purchase. To completely prevent buyers from a certain country from purchasing from you, you need to use the Buyer Requirements section in your Shop Manager. To do this, go to the Shop Manager section and click on Settings and then Buyer Requirements. In the Buyer Requirements section, you can specify which countries you do not want to sell to, and any buyer from those countries will not be able to purchase from you. It is also important to keep in mind that Etsy has rules and regulations regarding shipping and buyer requirements. Make sure you are familiar with these rules and regulations before excluding any countries from your shipping settings or buyer requirements.